Hi guys, this year, Eduard released a series of P-40s in 1/48 scale. In the video, I'm showing what we get in the Profipack edition of the P-40E. This is not the first unboxing of this kit on YouTube, but I wanted to point out a few things, and also warn you, not to repeat my mistake. Okay, here we go. The box is so shiny it reflects my camera, but I'm going to open it soon enough. Usual Eduard Profipack design, with the item number, some information about what is inside, and what is most interesting, marking options. This time we got 6 different ones, so half of the options we get in the Royal Class release. But also here we build one model from the box, whereas Royal Class is a dual combo kit. Still, we get 6 cool painting schemes. Let's look inside. We have 3 bags with plastic parts, an instruction manual, masks, PE parts, and famous Eduard decals together with the stencils. I'm going to start from the best part of this kit, so plastic elements. But before that, a short announcement.
This video is brought to you by ModelFunDisplay.com. Model Fun Display, your new hobby store.
Going back to the kit. Inside one bag we have 3 sprues. The first one is a little empty but important. Let me get closer to see it. All delicate, recessed, and raised details. Looks very impressive. Note this unusual shape of the side window. I will get back to it later. Quick look on the other side, and a very nice feature here. Side doors on the fuselage and nose section have a clear indication. Very clever idea for modelers who want to add extras here and there and show them. I will get back to the extras at the end of this video. Propeller blades are the only part where I see some plastic imperfection. This, however, should be easy to remove. The rudder is the last part on this sprue, also very nicely detailed. Next sprue and wings. Look at the details here. Very well done. Last one from this bag holds a lot of smaller parts. Cockpit floor with impressive details and correct shape. Sidewalls looking lovely. For the instrument panel, we have 2 options. The second one, that has a flat surface, is dedicated to the PE dashboard that is included in the kit. But there is also little surprise at the back of these parts, showing the backside of the dials. We also see rudder pedals, a set of wheels, and landing gear. The second bag has 2 frames inside. This one contains a lot of small elements. Look at these, beautifully made. We can see wheel wells parts, propeller cup, second set of wheels with a tread pattern, a lot of smaller parts, drop tanks, gun tips, and cooling flaps in closed and open positions. I'm repeating myself, but look at these details. Such a cool kit. And by the way, if you plan to buy one, visit modelfundisplay.com. We have a great offer for this kit. Another sprue with lots of elements, some bombs, some parts not to be used for this version. An exhaust mount, and exhaust tips, all looking very sharp. Clear parts. I have one running free in the bag, but that is not a problem. Let's check them. To me, they look perfect, transparent, and crisp. One thing here to point out, the shape of the side windows. It is extended a bit with part of the fuselage, a brilliant idea to get extra space for glue application. This way we can possibly avoid the problem of glue getting out and staring at us through this window when the build is finished. Masks are very welcome for this aircraft, as there are few parts to cover, and there is even a page dedicated in the instruction to help us. On the PE fret, we can find instrument panel elements, nice pre-colored seat belts, some bombs and wheels adjustments, brake hoses, and others. Moving forward to the famous decals, I need to warn you, be careful when taking the decal sheet out. It is quite big, and these bags have sticky opening. I was lucky enough to touch the glue, and guess what? The film from the US Army decal peeled off. Well, I guess that limits my choice of marking options to 4. I can live with it. Anyway, if we take a closer look, I think there were some improvements done on these decals, as I can't see the foggy surface that used to be on Eduard's decals. They look sharp with good colors. What do you think? This is not all yet. Here we have the instruction, with some historic background and information about the aircraft on the first page. Later, there is a box content with blue indication for the parts that we do not need, color references, and assembly steps. Nice and clear. I'm not going to go through it. Instead, let's move to the marking options. The first one, Flying Tigers, is presented on the box art and also in the intro to this video. Served in China, May 1942. The second is from New Guinea, year 1942. Next, with the tiger nose, Aleutian Islands, spring 1943. This one looks cool also. Australia, August 1942. We have the RAF Desert version from Libya, 1942. The last one, very interesting, from 1943, Espiritu Santo, an island, currently part of the country Vanuatu. Additionally, one page is dedicated to help with the stencil placement, and the very last page gives you the list of resin and PE upgrades. As you see, the list is quite impressive. Like the kit itself, I think Eduard broke the bank with this release, and it jumps straight to my to-do list. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you next time.